Hi, I'm Elaine from Warrawong Library, and today we're going to make a pirate hat. Arr. So, to make our pirate hat, the first thing we do is get our cardboard or our newspaper, and we fold it down the middle like so. Make sure you make a nice clean line with it, like this. Carefully, make sure it's all lined up like that. Perfect, and give it a big crease down like that. Okay, now that you've folded your cardboard in half, turn it 90 degrees and fold it down the middle again. Bit of folding in this pirate hat, isn't there? And then smooth it down again a bit, and then open it back up again. All right, make sure now that you've got the open bit at the bottom of your cardboard. And now make a triangle. Fold it neatly to the centre. Like this. And then smooth again. And then fold the other side in. 2 triangles joining in the middle. Smooth it down again. Okay. Is that looking like a pirate hat yet? I can see a pirate hat. Okay, let's make a brim. And not a fish. A fish is called a brim. Or a brim, there's a type of fish called a brim, rather. But that's not what we're making. We're making this bit of the hat, which is called the brim. Fold it like that. And then up over the top, over the top. That's looking a bit pirate hatty. Okay, ready? I'm going to flip it over and do the same with the brim on this side. Lining it up neatly. And folding like so, and then flipping it over again to line up like that. Push it down again. Now that looks like a pirate hat, don't you think? Something's missing. And now to decorate the pirate hat. So you can either download a picture off the internet and print it out, or get creative and draw your own pirate skull and crossbones. Just get a white piece of paper and try and draw a skull and crossbones. If you're finding it a bit tricky, you can ask an adult to come and help you, or you can just put a big white cross on it yourself. Whatever you think, it'll look piratey. Okay, so I'm going to draw a skull and crossbones now. Now, popping it on the hat. We need our glue stick. Glue stick. There we go. Almost a pirate hat. Oh, get some glue on your fingers. Get some glue on the skull. A little bit neatly. Now, simply stick that on there like that. A little bit of glue over there. And a bit of glue on the back of the skull. And pop it on there. Glue will dry nicely in a minute, luckily. And we have a pirate hat. Well, thank you for joining me today to make a pirate hat. If you want to learn to talk like a pirate, you can download Mango Languages. So get online on the council website, on the council library website, and look it up now. Arr.